everybody, Carol from Segovia Quilts here. So I just got another fabric delivery and it is all from Benartex, and I wanted to show you guys the new fabric that I'm going to be stocking in my shop. And a lot of these are going to be perfect for fussy cutting, and then I also have a couple of kits that I'm going to be putting together with some of these fabrics. So let's just jump right into it. Alright, so the first fabric that we got is this beautiful orange, and it has a bunch of cute little smiley faces, but they're like flowers. So they're little flowers that have little smiley faces in the middle. This is called Sunnyside Coral, and it's from the Playhouse Pals fabric collection. So this one is going to be more of like a small fussy cut. So I'd say there maybe the little faces are about maybe 1 inch by 1 inch, so more on the smaller side for fussy cutting. So the next fabric that I got, this is a solid white. So this is just the Superior Solids white. This is a basic. So I got this one to do a couple of kits. So make sure to stay tuned for those, especially if you like kits. So the next fabric that we are pulling out is this one. This is a yellow background, and it has these cute little animal faces on them. So we've got blue rabbits, gray, it looks like raccoons, orange owls, green frogs, and it looks like orange foxes. This is the Playful Pals yellow. This is also from the Playhouse Pals fabric collection. So this one is from the same collection as our smiley face flowers. So again, this one is more on the small side for fussy cutting. I'd say these faces are maybe about 1.5 inches by 1.5 inches or so, so still relatively small for fussy cutting. So our next fabric is this beautiful blue background, and it has these cute little bees on it, and it has a little honeycomb and then little jars of honey, and then the bees are flying around, and a couple of their little flight paths make these tiny cute little hearts. So this is Bee Sweet Blue, and it is from the Happy Camper fabric collection. Again, still on the small side for fussy cutting. I would say the honeycombs are about 1.5 inches by 1 inch, and the bees are maybe 3/4 inch to 1/2 inch or so. So again, perfect for the small fussy cutting. The next fabric is this beautiful light green fabric. This is a light green background, and it has these cute little kind of, I would say maybe teal or turquoise, aqua frog heads and green frog heads. This is called Ribbit Light Green, and this is from the Playhouse Pals fabric collection as well. So I did end up getting several prints from the Playhouse Pals fabric collection because they were all super cute. Our next fabric also has a green background. This one is a little bit more on the lime green side. So now this one, let me hold it in the right direction for you. So here, hold it up this way. So now this fabric has these cute little bears on it. It has foxes, rabbits, hedgehogs, birds, little mushrooms, and flowers. So this one has several different sized animals on it, which is going to be good for your small and medium fussy cutting. So now this one is called Woodland Pals Green, and this is from the Happy Camper fabric collection. Our next fabric has a white background, and this one has these cute little owls on it. So it has purple owls, pink owls, brown owls, and it looks like orange and blue owls. So this print is called Woodland Owls White from the Happy Camper collection. And this one, I would say the owls are about 1 inch by 1.5 inches or so. So still more on the small side for fussy cutting. So the last print for this box is a much larger print. So now this is a navy background, and it has these large, beautiful orange flowers, pink flowers, blue flowers, It has some foliage. It has these cute little birds. Let me hold it in the right direction. Let's see. Okay. So it has these cute little kind of aqua teal birds on it. Now this one is more on the medium to large size for fussy cutting. This one, I think the flowers would be perfect to like fussy cut and maybe applique them onto like a jean jacket. The colors are really bright and I think would go really, really nicely against a jean fabric, be it a jacket or maybe even jean pants. I think this one would be super cute. And because it has so many different sizes, like it still has these relatively like small flowers here where you could do some of the small fussy cutting with this fabric, but also get some mediums and larges out of it too. So this print is called Chalk Happy Garden Navy, and this is from the Chalk Garden Fabric Collection. All right, so we are working on box number 2. So our first print is this cute mushroom print. Now this is on a, I would say a lime green background, and it has all of these tiny cute little mushrooms. They're pink, green, blue, orange, and yellow, and it looks like we have a couple of red ones in there too. And they also have a couple of flowers spread throughout. So like here's a pink and blue mushroom with a couple of little flowers right around it. So this is called Woodland Mushrooms Green, and it is also from the Happy Camper Fabric Collection. So this is for small fussy cutting. So I would say the largest objects on here would be 2 mushrooms and flowers together, and I would say it's about 1 inch by 1 inch. And then the individual mushrooms are probably about a 1/2 inch by a 1/2 inch. So perfect for small fussy cutting. And even if you make your own fabric buttons, so I've dabbled a little bit in making my own fabric buttons, and this would be perfect for those tiny little buttons. So our next print is on a white background, and this one has like aqua or teal owls on it, along with orange owls, and then it also has a little bit of orange foliage, a couple of birds, a little bit of flowers. So this print is called Owl Happy Coral Turquoise, and this is from the Playhouse Pals Fabric Collection. This is another small print for fussy cutting. I would say the biggest owl on here is about 1 inch by maybe 1.5 inches, so still on the small side. Our next print is on this beautiful background. I would say it's a light blue or aqua color. Now this one has a ton of fussy cutting options. Oh, you know what? And it's not necessarily directional, so I'm just gonna pick a direction and hold it for you. So this one has little orange foxes, hedgehogs, rabbits, owls, looks like squirrels in all sorts of different colors. So because it's not directional, you don't have to worry about cutting it in a specific way, because like right here, we've got 2 hedgehogs. Hopefully you can see that. They're opposite of each other. So one is right side up and one is upside down. So that is nice. This one, I would say the largest is going to be the fox, and I would say it's about 1.5 inches by 1.5 inches. So this one is called Forest Friends Light Aqua, and this is also from the Happy Camper Fabric Collection. So our next fabric is on a white background. Now this one has little flowers and butterflies on it, but they are in kind of like a checkerboard pattern in that you have straight rows and columns. So these are all different colors, with some of the flowers being pink, orange, blue. The butterflies are pink and red or orange and pink, all sorts of different colors, very, very bright colors. This fabric is called Daisy Up Pink Multi, and this is from the Daisy Up Fabric Collection. This I would classify as more of a medium to maybe a large-ish fussy cutting option. I would say the butterfly, let me measure the butterfly. The butterfly is 3 inches by 3 inches. So I would definitely say medium, possibly large size for fussy cutting. So the last print from this box is completely different from any of the other prints that I've shown you. I thought this one was cute just because of the animals. So this is on kind of like a wood grain looking background, but then there's also little gray dots throughout. So now this one has cows, sheep, and chickens on it. So again, completely different from any of the other fabrics that we've unpacked so far today, but I thought it was cute. And in regards to fussy cutting, I thought it'd be a good idea to have like a variety of animals to choose from. So this print is called Spring Hill Farm Animals Light Gray, and this is from the Spring Hill Farm Fabric Collection. So these are, I would classify them as a medium size for fussy cutting. So the cow is the biggest, and the cow is 2.5 by 1.5 inches. So perfect for the medium for the cow and maybe even the sheep. And then I would say the chicken or the rooster would probably fall into the small fussy cutting category. So you've got a couple of different sizes that you can get from this one print. All right, so our third and final box for our fabric delivery from Benartex is this nice, dark, and rich blue. This is a solid. This is the Superior Solids Marine color. So now I got this one specifically to do a kit for some fabrics that are on their way. I think this color will go perfectly with this particular collection that I've ordered. So again, if you like to do kits, definitely keep an eye out for the kit that I'm gonna put together with this particular fabric. So those are all of the fabrics for today's delivery. They are all super cute. I think they are just as cute in person as they were online when I was picking them out. Again, I ordered these with the intention of doing fussy cutting and then also a couple of kits. So if you are into fussy cutting, these are right up your alley. I think these are all super cute and I really can't wait to do a project with them. So what did you all think of these particular fabrics? Do you have a favorite out of the ones that I showed you today? Have you worked with any of these collections in the past? So let me know your thoughts in the comments down below. So that's it for today's video. Again, I just wanted to show you the fabric delivery that we got today. Hopefully you enjoyed it. If you do like these fabric unboxings, let me know in the comments down below or give this video a big thumbs up. Thanks for watching, and until next time, I will see you all later.